Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to clear Facebook cache on iPhone. So to start, open the Facebook app. Next, tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Now from the options, select Settings. Now in here, scroll down to Browser. So under Preferences, look for Browser and select that. Then tap Clear next to Cookies and Cache. Then Confirm. So this only clears data from links you've opened inside Facebook. Now, if you want to remove all Facebook cache data, so you can open Settings on your phone, then scroll down and go to General. Now, scroll down and tap iPhone Storage. Next, scroll down and tap Facebook. Then in here, choose Delete App. Then choose Delete to confirm the action, and the app will be deleted. So once deleted, you can reinstall Facebook from App Store and sign back in. So this removes apps cache files and frees up storage. And that's it. Thank you for watching.